In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Monopoly Go. It's a simple process, but there's a catch. You can only block people who are already on your friends list. So let's jump straight into it and make sure you know exactly how to keep your Monopoly Go experience as pleasant and enjoyable as possible. First things first, grab your device and open the Monopoly Go app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. You'll be met with the main screen, which is where all the fun happens. Your next move is to look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find the Serve Friends button there. Go ahead and tap on it. Doing this will open up a window showcasing your current friend list, a place where all the players you've connected with in the game are neatly listed. Now you'll want to turn your attention to the options at the top of this window. These are your navigation tabs. You'll see one labeled Find Leaderboard Song. Tap on it and then switch over to the Friends tab. It's crucial to move to this tab because blocking in Monopoly Go is a feature specifically designed for those on your friends list. You won't be able to block random players from either the global or local lists, only those who are already part of your circle in the game. Once you're on the right tab, you'll need to scroll through and find the friend you'd like to block. Got them? Great. Tap on their name. This is where the magic happens. A menu will pop up in response, presenting you with several options. The one you're looking for here is labeled Remove. By tapping on Remove, you're effectively unfriending and thus blocking that person from interacting with you further in the game. And that's it. Mission accomplished. You've successfully blocked someone on Monopoly Go. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, and now you can enjoy the game without any unwanted interactions from players you'd rather not connect with. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and dropping a comment to let us know what other tutorials you'd love to see. Don't forget to subscribe as well for more Monopoly Go insights and tips. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you have a wonderful day filled with winning properties and fun gameplay. See you in the next one.